Integration using differentiation. Dx by a plus b cos x whole squared, dx by a plus b sin x whole squared, dx by sin x plus a secant x whole squared, a plus b sin x b plus a sin x whole squared dx we follow the following method. Let a equal to sin x by a plus b cos x or a equal to cos x by a plus b sin x. According to the integral to be evaluated is of the form dx by a plus b cos whole squared or dx by a plus b sin x whole squared. To evaluate this integral, we have to substitute, we have to take a equal to sin x by a plus b cos x. To evaluate this integral, we have to take a equal to cos x by a plus sin x. Science step. Find dA by dx and express in terms of one by a plus b cos x or 1 by a plus b sin x is the case may be. Integrate both the sides of the expression obtained in step 2. This step to obtain the value of the required integral. Evaluate dx by five plus 4 cos x the whole square. Let a equal to sin x by 4 cos x. Since we have cos x, you take sin x in the numerator. Find dA by dx. U by v cos x into 5 plus 4 cos x minus sin x. If you differentiate this, 0 minus 4 sin x whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos x whole squared. Five cos x 4 cos squared x plus 4 sin 6 divided by 5 plus 4 cos x the whole square. So dA by dx equal to 5 cos x plus 4 into cos squared x plus sin divided by 5 plus 4 cos x whole squared. Five cos x plus 4 by whole squared. Five into multiply 4 by 4. 4 cos x cos x whole squared. Here we have 5. We have to make here 5. So 5 by 4 4 cos x add 5 That means you have to subtract 5 into 5, 24 plus 4 divided by 5 plus 4 cos x the whole square. Five by 4, 4 cos x by 5 by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square minus 4 into 4 16 minus 9 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x the whole square. So dA by dx equal to 5 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x minus 9 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x the whole square. Integrating both sides with respect to x. Here a equal to 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx, 9 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos whole square into dx, which implies bring this side 9 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x the whole square dx equal to 5 by 4 integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x if you bring minus into the plus, bring a into this side, 5 by 4 dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. So 9 by 4 1 by 5 plus 4 cos whole square dx equal to 5 by 4 I1 minus a. A means sin x by 5 plus 4 cos x. So I1 equal to integral dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. For this type of integral, we have to take t equal to tan x by 2 dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t squared cos x equal to 1 minus t squared by 1 plus. This substitute be made. Therefore, I1 equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t squared divided by 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t squared by 1 plus t squared. So, 2 dt, this will be cancelled, multiply here, 5 into 1 plus t squared plus 4 into 1 minus t squared equal to 2 into dt divided by 5 plus 5t squared 4 minus 4t squared, 2 into dt by 5t squared minus 4t squared t squared plus 9, 2 into dt by t squared plus 3 squared. So, I1 equal to 1 by a, that is 1 by 3 tan of x by a, t by 3 plus c, 2 by 3 tan of 1 by 3 tan x by 2 plus c. Therefore, the term is equal to 5 by 4. In place of I1, you can write this 2 by 3 tan of 1 by 3 tan x by 2 minus sin x by 5 plus 4 cos x. So, we need 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square into dx. Therefore, bring 9 for this type. 4 by 9 into 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 tan of 1 by 3 tan x by 2 minus 4 by 9 sin x by 4 plus cos x. This will be cancelled. That is 10 by 27 tan of 1 by 3 tan x by 2 4 by 9 sin x by 5 plus 4 cos x plus c. So, this is type integration using differentiation. reduction formula for integral sin power nx dx. Let in equal to integral sin power nx dx. You can write integral sin power n minus 1x into sin x dx. You take u equal to sin power n minus x, du equal to n minus 1 sin power n minus x into cos x into dx. So dv equal to take sin x dx. Integral dv equal to integral sin x dx. V equal to minus cos x. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I equal to uv, u that is in equal to u sin power n minus x, v that is minus cos x minus integral v that is minus cos x into du, this one n minus 1 sin power n minus 2x cos x dx. So minus sin power n minus x into cos x plus n minus 1 into sin power n minus 2x minus minus plus cos x into cos x cos squared x. Cos squares can be written as 1 minus sin squared x dx. n minus 1 sin power n minus 2x dx minus n minus 1, if you multiply you will get sin power nx dx minus sin power n minus 1x cos x plus n minus 1, this is nothing but I n minus 2 minus n minus 1 into in. We have in. in plus n minus 1 into in equal to minus minus sin power n minus x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Take in in common, 1 plus n minus 1 equal to minus of sin power n minus 1 x cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So this will be cancelled. In equal to minus sin power n minus 1 x cos x by n plus n minus 1 in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for sin power nx. So in integral sin power nx dx equal to minus sin power n minus 1x cos x divided by n plus n minus 1 by I n minus 2. Though this should be remembered. Evaluate sin power 6x dx. We can apply the results. We know that in. So I6 equal to sin power 6x dx minus sin power 5x cos x by 6 plus 5 by 6. 6 minus 2 4. I4 equal to minus sin cubed x cos x 4 plus I4 4 minus 1 3 3 by 4 I2 IT equal to minus sin x cos x 2 1 by 2 I naught. So I naught equal to integral sin power 0x dx equal to x plus c. Therefore, the value sin power 6x dx equal to 4 plus I4. In place of I4, you write minus sin cubed x cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I2. In place of I2, write this minus sin x cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 I naught. In place of I naught, you write x. So minus sin power 5x cos x by 6 minus 5 by 24 sin cubed x cos x minus 15 minus into plus minus 15 by 48 sin x cos x find the 15 into x 15x 6 over 24 into 48 plus c. So like that, in a single step you can answer if you know this formula. Otherwise you will find lengthy calculations to solve this kind of sums. The same manner we have more reduction formula. Just I give you result only. You do remember, then you can apply directly. reduction formula for integral cos power n x dx. So in equal to integral cos power n x dx del cos power n minus sin x by n plus n minus by n I n minus 2. This result can be proved is similar that of proof of del sin power n x dx. Next, integral reduction formula of integral tan power n x dx. So in equal to integral tan power n x dx tan power n minus 2x into tan square x dx tan power n minus 2x into secant square x minus 1 dx tan power n minus 2x into secant square dx minus tan power n minus 2x into dx tan power n minus 2x into d of minus in minus 2. In means tan power n, tan power n minus means we can write in minus 2. Secant square x dx can be written as differentiation of tan x. So in equal to tan power n minus 2 plus 1 x by n minus 2 plus 1 x power n plus 1 by n plus the formula we have applied minus I n minus 2. That is tan power n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1 minus I n minus 2. Similarly, in equal to cot power nx dx equal to, here we have minus cot power n minus x by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. This is reduction formula for cot power nx dx. Reduction formula for secant power nx dx. So in equal to integral secant power nx dx equal to secant power n minus 2x tan x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 in minus 2. So In equal to cosecant power nx dx equal to minus cosecant power n minus 2x into cot x by n minus 1 plus n minus 2 by n minus 1 In minus 2. So reduction for del sin per mx cos per nx dx. So I m comma n equal to integral sin per mx cos per nx dx equal to m minus 1 by m plus 1, reducing sin x. I m minus 2 comma n minus sin per m minus n x cos per n plus 1 x divided by m plus n. We have more result for sin per m cos power n. This is one. I m comma n equal to n minus 1 by m plus n m comma n minus 2 plus sin per m plus 1 x cos per n plus 1 x plus m plus n. Next result, sin power mx or cos power mx sin nx dx. So I m comma n equal to cos power mx cos nx divided by m plus n plus m by m plus n I m minus 1 comma n minus 1. If phi tan x by tan x minus 2 dx equal to x plus a into log sin x minus 2 cos x plus k then a is equal to option A minus 1, option B minus 2, option C 1, option D 2. So I equal to phi tan x, okay, phi into sin x by cos x divided by sin x by cos x minus 2 into dx, phi sin x by whole divided by sin x minus 2 cos x by cos x in dx. This will be cancelled. Phi sin x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Four sin x plus sin x sin x minus 2 cos x. Four sin x plus sin x plus 2 cos x minus 2 cos x sin x minus 2 cos x dx. equal to sin x minus 2 cos x by sin x minus 2 cos x dx minus two into 2 sin x plus cos x divided by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. From this 2 you take 2 in common, remaining 2 sin x plus cos x with this will be cancelled. Integral dx equal to x minus 2. If you differentiate cos x, if you differentiate plus 2 sin x, this is nothing but log of modulus of sin x minus 2 cos x plus c. We have plus. This is I. I equal to the given statement is x plus this is given. Therefore, comparing these two, in place of a we have 2 here. A equal to 2. Option D is correct. Integral 1 plus x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 e power x plus 1 by x plus c b equal to minus x e power x plus 1 by x plus c. X minus 1 e power x plus 1 by x plus c x into e power x plus 1 by x plus c. So integral e power x plus 1 by x dx plus x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x dx. I1 plus integral x minus 1 by x e power dx. I1 e power x plus 1 by x dx. U e power x plus 1 by x du e power x plus 1 by x 1 minus 1 by x square dx. dv equal dx, which implies integral dv equal to integral dx, which implies v equal to x. Integral u dv equal to uv minus integral v du. So I1 equal to u e power x plus 1 by x v x minus v x. du means e power x plus 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x squared dx. x into e power x plus 1 by x minus x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x dx. Therefore, I equal to x into x plus 1 by x. I1, in place I1 you can write minus x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x dx plus x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x dx. So same term will be cancelled. X into e power x plus 1 by x plus c. So option D is correct. Integral sin x by sin x minus alpha dx equal to ax plus b into sin x minus alpha ax plus b log sin x minus alpha plus c then the value of a comma b is minus cos alpha comma sin alpha cos alpha comma sin alpha minus sin alpha comma cos alpha sin alpha comma cos alpha. I equal to sin x dx sin x minus alpha plus alpha by dx sin x minus alpha cos alpha plus cos x minus alpha sin alpha divided by sin x minus alpha dx. This will be cancelled. Cos alpha plus, so cos alpha dx plus integral sin alpha into cos by sin x cos alpha plus log sin cot x means log sin x plus c. Therefore, a equal comparing with a equal to cos alpha, b equal to sin alpha. Option B is correct. We will discuss more past arches in the next session. Thank you.